In this video, I will show you how to count birthdays by month in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some birthdays in this column. Now I want to count the total number of birthdays for the month of July given in this column. To do that, I am going to use the text and some product functions. The text function converts a number to text in the given specified format. This function accepts two arguments, the number we want to convert to text and the format we want to apply to the output text. Since dates are treated as numbers in Excel, we can use this function to format the dates as well. I am going to get the month name from the birthdays and then compare it with this month name to count the total birthdays for the month. Here is the formula to do that. Here the text function extracts the month names from all these birthdays. When we specify the format as MMMM, the text function returns the full month name text from the date. Since there are 8 cells in the range, the text function returns an array of 8 elements containing month names for each birthday as an array element. This part compares the month name extracted from birthdays to the given month name. It returns an array of 8 elements containing true and false values. The true value is returned when the month name is July and the false value is returned when it is not July. For the sum product function to work, we need to convert these true and false values to 1 and 0 respectively. We did that by applying the double negative minus minus. After applying the double negative, we get an array of 8 elements containing 1s and 0s. Finally, the sum product function sums up the array elements and the result of that is 1. As you can see, we now have the birthday count for the month of July. We can also get the birthday count of the whole year by month using this formula. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have all 12 months listed in this column. I have made a couple of changes to the formula here. The first change is I made the range reference containing birthday cells absolute using the dollar signs so that when we copy the formula for other months, the range remains constant. The second change is I used the cell reference containing the month name instead of hardcoding the month name in the formula itself. Let's copy the formula for other months by dragging it down from the bottom right corner. As you can see, we now have the birthday count for all the months of the year. If the data contains shorter month names like Jan, Feb, etc. instead of the full month names, we need to change the formula a little bit. Instead of specifying the format as MMMM, we need to provide the format as MMM to the text function so that it returns the month names in the shorter format. After this change, the formula will also work for the shorter month names like this. If the data contains the month number instead of the month name text like this, we can use this formula to get the birthday count for the month number. Here I used the month function to extract the month number from the birthdays instead of the text function. Since there are 8 cells in the range, the month function returns an array of 8 month numbers, which is then compared with the month number we have. The rest of the formula remains the same. Let's copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the birthday count by month numbers. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.